If you are curious about the title of this video and you are ready to pump some serious love injection into your girl's life, well, stay tuned. You will literally make her whole year if you just do 2 of the things that I will share with you in today's video. And if you are not really the type of person who expresses their love and doesn't really do anything romantic, well, you will definitely make her whole year. Stay tuned. Give her the puppy love eyes. There's something about the way a guy looks at us that we love, and if you can make her feel cherished by giving her the look that says, I appreciate you and you make me happy, this will really make her day, and it's best done when she's explaining something to you. You literally just stare at her in full admiration and cherish how amazing she is. Number 2, give her a gift. Now, don't feel the need to go out and splash out on something expensive. Save your money. You could even make her something, even just an origami flower, and I guarantee you, she will keep it on her work desk and look at it daily. You could just easily collect a nice looking rock from the beach and give that to her. Or keep it super easy and find out her favourite colour or her favourite flowers and go buy her a small flower arrangement. The trick is, the more thought that you put in, the better. If you notice that she's a reader and she happens to use scraps of paper to use as a bookmark inside her book when she's finished reading, well then get her a bookmark. She will love it. Offer to help her do something. If you can see that she's cleaning, then get up and steal that chore from her and go and do it yourself. Maybe change the bed sheets without being asked to do it. Basically, do something that you know she usually does herself. Or do something different. Offer to wash her car. Take her car and fill it up with some gas. Beat her to something that she usually does. So if you know that as soon as she finishes work, she goes into the kitchen and she puts on the kettle, then go and do that for her. Make her a drink and jump in first and have that drink waiting for her the moment she finishes work. She will love it. If you hear the washing machine beeping, beat her to it and take out the clothes. Bring her lunch to her desk to save her time going to the shop on her dinner break. There's so many things that you can do, but please do not spend a fortune because the personalized things really make the difference. A romantic dinner. Every girl loves romantic dinners. Take us to a favourite restaurant or even prepare a picnic in a nice scenic area and we're yours forever. If you are watching this during lockdown, don't worry. You do not have to go all out and order in some lobsters. You can just simply buy some fancy smelling candles or buying her favourite snacks whilst you guys cuddle up together and watch a film is pretty good enough. Number 5, give her a massage. If her love language is physical touch, she will love this. You can start off giving her a long hug and lots of kisses and give her as much personal attention as you can, then follow that up with a back or a foot massage. Deliver a unique compliment. Compliment your girl on something that you've never said before. Tell her how proud you are that she's maybe working 2 jobs during the lockdown, or the fact that she's studying and working. Compliment her on how homely her apartment is, just how she makes you become a better person. You don't always have to do this in person. Just sending her a long text message will melt her heart and get her excited to see you. But if you really want to blow her socks off, are you ready? Handwrite the compliment, slip it in a work file or write it on her bathroom mirror with a whiteboard marker, and I promise you, you have made her day and the remaining 364 days of the year. Show her off in public. Give her a kiss, hold her hand in public, upload a cute photo of you and her onto social media and write in the captions, "This is my amazing girlfriend," insert her name, and she's the best thing that has ever happened to me. These types of things will definitely make her day. Ask for her opinion on something. Now, this is great if you are at the start of a relationship or you aren't actually dating her yet. She will feel cherished if she feels included in your decisions. Now, if you have a friend or a family's birthday coming up, ask her if she could help you pick out a good present, and I promise she will secretly love it. Send her the good morning and good night texts. Tell her, good morning, beautiful. Have a lovely day. Can't wait to see you in the morning. And then you can send something very similar in the evening, such as, I miss you and I can't wait to see you. Sweet dreams. Now, these texts are just enough to make her day feel special and obviously end the day feeling as just as special. Number 10, arrange to do something that you know she will love. Invest some time into her hobbies and her interests. Ask her what she loves to do with her friends and take it upon yourself to do that thing. Doesn't matter if you don't like it, this is where she will appreciate you doing it. Could be an arts and crafts afternoon, drinking pink gin whilst you watch a rom-com, or cooking a dessert together. The possibilities really are endless. So, to recap, the best way to really make a girl's day feel absolutely amazing is to do teeny tiny things for her. The more personal they are, the more she's going to feel cherished, and if she feels cherished and respected, then she's most definitely going to feel loved by you. Notice the small differences. Women say that many guys don't notice when they change their hair. They don't notice if they get a different hair colour or a completely different hairstyle. So this is your chance to make her day, and I promise you, you will also make her week if you notice these small things. So pay attention to her visually. If she gets a different hair colour, a different haircut, perhaps she tries a different type of makeup technique and you notice she's actually using less makeup or more makeup or a different coloured lipstick, no matter what it is, use this as a time to actually notice the difference, and you can say, wow, you look amazing. I've noticed you've done this with your eyebrows, or I've noticed you're wearing these types of earrings lately. And I promise you, these small differences, they are tiny, but they mean so much to a lady that I promise you, this is the best way to make her day. Tell her she is the best at blank. This is your chance to actually make her feel very secure and let her know that she is above everybody else that you have dated. Now, obviously, use your imagination to this, but it could be you are the best person I have dated because you make the best meals. You are the best person because you know how to massage my back, or you know how to style my hair. You have to find something that is so unique to your relationship, which makes her feel good deep down that she's dating you and that you are dating her, because she adds something extra to the relationship that no other girl previously has been able to do. And this is something that as soon as you say, it's going to light up her face like a Christmas tree, and it is going to replay over in her head, well, pretty much for the rest of her life. And I promise you, she will even text her girlfriend straight away and say, oh my gosh, I can't believe he's just said this really sweet thing. So, to recap, the best way to really make a girl's day feel absolutely amazing is to do teeny tiny things for her. The more personal they are, the more she's going to feel cherished, and if she feels cherished and respected, then she's most definitely going to feel loved by you. And there we go, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to binge some more, click right here. Or if you want to get your name up on our super fan board, then all you have to do is be a member of our Joyanima monthly membership. Details will be down below. Like and subscribe. See you soon.